What you doing? Oh, you want to go play in the writing box. I don't know if I can let you do that. Close it. Oh, get it. Go get it. Welcome back. This is Bree with My Lavender Pages, and we're doing another plan with me. I promise. I am working on my bullet journal journey, but it has been a really rough day today. Rough day at work. I'm kind of tired and super frustrated with a specific situation, and I just want to play in my book and relax for a little while. So that is what I'm going to do. I have Mango with me downstairs, so she's hanging out. Not much has changed. Everything is pretty much the same. We are tracking things and working through things. And yeah, you can kind of tell it's been a crazy day. Here is how my month is going. We had family dinner yesterday. I get to go get my hair cut today. This is last week. Here is the current week with my leftover TheCoffeeMonsterzCo February stickers. This is the week we are going to plan, March 13th through the 19th. This is 2 weeks from now. Look at all these marbles. She likes to push him off the desk and watch him hit the floor. It's so funny. Haven't set this up yet. This is the current habit tracker. I do not like how this is looking, so I'm going to change it today. Yeah, I don't like it. Here's the mood mandala so far. And these are my daily pages. How things are turning out. This is yesterday. I haven't finished writing in it. And here is today. So we are going to plan this week right here for the 13th through the 19th. It's a bit of an unusual week. It's a little busy for us. We leave for Texas on the 17th. My kids have a half day on Wednesday and Thursday and no school on Friday. So they're going to help me take this little floof right here to my sister-in-law's house, where she's going to stay for the week with a whole bunch of other birds. Huh, floof, yeah. She's a sweetie. There you go. And then we have somebody coming to look after our dogs. We'll be home on the 24th. And I will probably work on planning this particular week and this week, next week. I bought the matching, I have the Spring Adventures kit from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo for this week of the 20th through the 26th, and I bought Miss AJ a matching kit for her little planner, so we'll be doing that one together. Yep. Okay, let's get this going. I am going to be using, okay, not those. I'll put those in there. I'm going to be using the Mandy Lynn Plans Hobonichi Cousin Weekly Kit. And I don't see anything that I would want to put with it at the moment, just my washi. So I'm going to tuck the rest of that back into its envelope so that it stays nice. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use to plan. I would like to put the color down first and then add this to my page. So bear with me while I put some color down. Come here, you. Okay, I think I've got it. Let's put this thicker washi up along the top. I'm going to turn this upside down because it makes it easier for me. And we're going to start it at the 6 o'clock hour. Oh, that worked good. Okay, then put this one here at 6 o'clock hour. Then let's do the rainbow one down at the bottom. And I think it's going to drive me crazy if I don't cut the extra off. So let's get my X-Acto knife out. Hey, don't eat that. Go play. X-Acto knife and my ruler. So I used to do this. Her stickers are removable, so it makes it easy to do this on, but I used to do this all the time with the Sterling ink stickers. I need to be careful though, because Mingo's right there and I don't want to hurt her. Okay, we need to turn this upside down. Come on. Upside down. Yeah. Okay, so there's that one. And I want you on my shoulder so I know you're safe. Okay, I apologize if you're seeing the top of my head. Did you just take my X-Acto knife cover and throw it down to the floor? Did you just do that, you floof? Huh? And that is so totally crooked. I kind of don't care. I can still see the hours, and we're gonna leave this one. Okay, hold please while I find my X-Acto knife cover. Oh, there it is. You did throw it down, you silly goose. Are you trying to look on the floor? Yeah, she thinks it's, see, she keeps peeking off the edge of my desk. She thinks it's funny to throw things down on the floor. Huh? Yes, okay. Then this one, I know Mandy Lynn Plans uses this to cover the Hobonichi thing up here. I'm just going to stick it right underneath the date. Because I'm not in a Hobonichi, but my sizes, my columns are about the same. Okay, I saw Helen with TheCoffeeMonsterzCo use these dots to track packages. I don't know what I want to use them for, because I don't usually use, I use one dot a week, and that is for when I do carpool, which is right here. Which reminds me, give or take right about here, I volunteer in the little man's class. Okay, we have a Mingo! Shh! 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 Okay. So we need to put down, don't eat my earrings, we need to put down St. Patrick's Day, which is right here. Oh, goodness. She's causing havoc. Are you playing with my tweezers? She likes to take the purple grip thingies off. Okay, and then we have this little spring break sticker I'm going to put it right here because this is when our spring break officially starts. You stinker! Give that back here. You little monkey. What am I going to do with you? I don't know. You're driving me nuts. Okay. Let's get, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bigger boxes and a whole bunch of little boxes. So let's do the little boxes. We have 2 regular school days. And 2 early out. Off. Then I work 3 of my normal 4 days. So I work Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then, hey, chill out. My husband has meetings. She's very vocal, guys. And I have a Relief Society activity. Then, while we're in Texas with family, we are going to go to church with them. If we make it. And my husband has basketball. Yay, it fit. And then I have my volunteer. And we leave for Texas. Okay. Let's put these where they need to go. So first we have school here. I have a feeling these are going to work a bit like the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo ones, where they go a little bit over. Then we have early out. This is our normal early out day. This is an unusual early out day. We normally don't have an early out on a Thursday. Then I volunteer in my little man's class here. We leave for Texas. We have a shut-eye or a red-eye, however you want to call it, flight out of Salt Lake International on Friday night. And we will fly overnight into Boston Logan. And then leave Boston. We get to Boston Logan at around 6:30. And we leave Boston Logan at, no, we land in Boston Logan at about 5:40 and we leave Boston Logan at 7-ish. So, yeah. Husband has meetings there. I have a Relief Society activity here. Then my husband plays basketball right here. I need to put a rehearsal sticker she's sitting on my chest. I get so cold sitting down here working that I always have a hoodie or a sweater on, and sometimes she'll go sleep in my hoodie or my sweater while I'm holding her, and other times she just likes to sit where the jacket meets the middle. Anyway, it's pretty cute. Okay, so far this is what we have for the coming week. I have 3 boxes left, plus this super cute washi and all those dots. I need to figure out what to do with the dots. Maybe I start using dots to mark school. I don't know. I don't know. My husband works. I'm gonna put one right here. So my kids don't have school on this day, but my husband works. That's why we're taking the night flight. We were gonna leave on Thursday, but then my husband found out he had to work on the Friday, so we pushed our flight to Friday night. And yeah, I might have a to-do list right here and use my dots. Normally I put a quote right here, but I might put a to-do list because, I mean, I've started this to-do list right here, and then I also have my normal trip thing right here, and it has, like, I make one of these for every trip. Like, I have stuff going on there. I have my packing list here. I have kind of a schedule here. So this will be beat and battered and completely full by the time we leave and come back. Stop eating that. That's not nice. So that's there. And then, yeah, we just kind of see how things go. Since my kids have this day off, they will be helping me pack, and we will be taking Mango to my sister-in-law's house. That's pretty much it. I'll do whatever I can here cleaning wise, and because this is my day off. Please don't climb on my head. I don't like it when you climb on my head. I really, really, really don't. No, I don't. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can you say hi? Say hi, I'm eating paper. And look, she matches my planner. Okay. We are good. All right. Oh, thank you for giving me that paper. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. To see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep posting on Instagram of updates and things that are going on. Take care, everybody, and we'll talk soon. Bye!